So we have today the World Championships every 2 years for volleyball and beach volleyball. The Olympic Games, you know the Olympic Games, every 40 years for volleyball and beach volleyball. And equally we have our annual leagues for volleyball and beach volleyball. So those are the two disciplines that the FIB takes care of. Is that your question? Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
The players played the volleyball yesterday. 150 to 200 women coaches were trained by the international coaches for 4 days, 11 to 14. And these coaches will again train the other coaches by which they will touch 50,000 coaches in the coming years. Second thing, recently he has announced, he has given and inaugurated Center of Excellence at the KIT University campus, first of its kind in India. Because of Center of Excellence, players and coaches from any country can come to the Center of Excellence and can train, etc. etc. Third thing he has announced very nicely, which will promote huge tourism in Odisha, that is Beach Pro 2, Beach Volleyball Festival, Beach Volleyball. So 3 years, this beach volleyball things will continue here in KIT campus. And for this, players from the 50 countries will be assembled. That beach volleyball tournament or competition. Players from the 50 countries minimum, he has told from the entire globe. So these are very unique things he has given to Odisha state and particularly to KIT and KIS. And not only it will strengthen the volleyball, but also it will add the tourism of the Odisha state. Thank you. Any question from your side?
So I can briefly share with you all where the FIB is today and our plans.
It is entire life for the promotion of empowerment of volleyball last 35 years. He has made many accolades for volleyball, be it in his own country, Brazil, or in the entire globe, in the capacity of General Director FIVB, so also now President of FIVB. He has given many good things for the promotion of volleyball, particularly in Odisha state, generally in India. I will be happy he will tell in his own mouth whatever he has already announced yesterday for the promotion of volleyball and volleyball players, and which is first of its kind in India, and Odisha is proud of to have these things. So many times we are very much happy, honored and fortunate to get Mr. Fabio in our own state. Before telling something, it is my great pleasure on behalf of all of you, on my behalf, on behalf of the people of the state, I extend heartiest welcome to Mr. Fabio for his presence here in Bhubaneswar and particularly to grace this press meet. So I hope you are aware of FIVB, the largest organization in any sport in the world. That is 222 countries are the member of the FIVB, and he is heading